We've all seen Interstellar, but did you know there's a detail in Interstellar that probably no one has noticed? In Interstellar, it's shown that Cooper and his team go to a planet called Miller's Planet. So basically, in Interstellar, we were told that 1 hour on Miller's Planet is equal to 7 years on Earth. Now remember this, because the next thing I'm about to tell you is going to blow your mind. If you paid even a little attention to that whole scene when they go to Miller's Planet, you must have faintly heard a sound, a tick. A tick that was playing at certain intervals. Come on. And how would you feel if I told you that Christopher Nolan hid a scientific detail in the background music playing on Miller's Planet in this movie? Now, this tick sounds every 1.25 seconds. Which means that if there's a tick now, then exactly 1.25 seconds later, there will be another tick. And if you calculate the total number of ticks and divide it by 1.25 seconds, you get Earth's 23 years. And these 23 years are equal to 3-point-something hours on Miller's Planet. And this number is exactly what Cooper spent on Miller's Planet.